Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard maths. Yes, what we have solved in our last session? Yes, we have started additions of fractions with the different denominator. We have seen two examples as I told you. Now see by yourself example number 3, 4, isn't it? Did you check in your canopy? Yes, very good. Now once again I am going to explain you example number 3. Just have a look. Now what is the example number 3? Add 3 upon 8, 5 upon 6 and 11 upon 12. So first we need to find out the LCM of 3 numbers because denominator is not same. So first we have to convert this unlike fractions into like fractions. Like fractions means denominators will come same. So the LCM of 8, 6, 12 is 24. So right here 3 upon 8 is, see 24 is LCM, that should come in the place of denominator. So 8 3s are 24. So 3 means here also 3 3s are 9. Now 5 upon 6. Now in the denominator what should come? 24. So 6 4s are 24. Same here also 5 4s are 20. They have written in short and they had given in the bracket. So you can write stepwise also as we used to write in the last exercise when we are converting unlike fractions into like fractions. Now here 24, 12 is there. So 12 2s are 24. Here also 2, 11 2s are 22. Isn't it? Now add all together 9 upon 24, 20 upon 24, 22 upon 24. So when we add together we get 51 upon 24. So what we have to do? See what we can do with this number 51 upon 24. We have to do the division. So when we do the division we get 2 1 by 8. So what is the answer? 3 upon 8 plus 5 upon 6 plus 11 upon 12 is 1 2 1 by 8. Now we will see the example number 4. See, now they had given mixed fractions to add 3 3 by 4 and 1 1 by 8. Now we will see example number 4 with the first method. They had given two methods to solve this example. Now we will see one by one. First method. Now separate the whole numbers and fractions both the mixed number. So when they will give the mixed fractions, in that time what we have to do? We have to separate the whole number. What are the whole numbers? 3 plus 1. So see here 3 plus 1 and plus 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 8. Now add the fractions. Now how we can add this both? Now denominators are different, so for that we need to find out the LCM. So 4 and 8 LCM is 8. Okay, so with the LCM 8, denominators 8 should come. So 4 2s are 8, here also 2, 3 2s are 6. So therefore, and 1 upon 8 what will come? 8 1s are 8, 1 8s are 8. So that is 1 upon 8. So 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 8 is, what will come? 3 plus 1 is, yes, 3 plus 1 is what? 4, isn't it? So 6 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 is equals to 3 upon 4 means what? 6 upon 8. And 1 upon 8 means 1 upon 8 only. So add together numerators. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 8 denominator as it is. Now the next step is we have to add whole number separately. Now 3 plus 1 whole number together 4. Now what we got? 4 7 upon 8. This fractions addition and whole number additions together 4 7 upon 8. So in this way you can solve mixed fraction addition. This is the first method. Now we will see what is the second method. Now convert mixed fractions into improper fractions. What you have to do? That 3 upon 4. See, do you remember? Whole number multiplied by denominator and add numerator. So 3 4s are 12 plus 3 is 15 upon 4. So in this way you can find out the fraction first, and this fraction 1 8s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 upon 8. Now we got 15 upon 4 and 9 upon 8. Now once you convert mixed fractions into improper fraction, now see the numbers, denominators are different, we need to make same. For that we have to find out the LCM of 4 and 8. What is the LCM of 4 and 8? Is 8 only. So 15 upon 4 means what we want in the place of denominator? 8. For that 4 2s are 8. So 2 here also, 15 multiplied by 2 is 13. Now thus we get 30 upon 8, and the next is what? 9 upon 8. So when you multiply, denominator should come 1 means we multiply with 1 only. So we get here 9 1s are 9, 8 1s are 8, that is 9 upon 8 only. So again they have not solved that step. So together we can add now, because the denominators are same, 8 and 8, so write only once, and 30 plus 9 is 39. Now we got this improper fraction. Now what we have to do? We have to convert into mixed fractions, isn't it? So how we can convert? By the division. 39 divided by 8. Okay. Now see, in 8 table 39 is there? Yes, tell me. No, then what is less than that? Tell me. Yes, come on. 8 4s are 32, isn't it? What will remain? 9 minus 2 is 7, 3 minus 3 is 0. So this is what? Quotient, this is remainder, this is denominator. So how we write? Quotient remainder upon denominator. What is quotient? 4. See a 4. The remainder is 7 in the place of numerator, and the denominator is 8 in the place of denominator. Clear? Yes. Now we will see the 5th example. Now they had given fill in the blanks. Add mixed fractions they had given. Add 5 2 upon 4 and 3 upon 5. Now 5 is whole, 2 upon 4. How we do? 5 multiplied by 4. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. 22 upon 4. Now this, see, 3 1 by 5. So 3 5s are whole number multiplied by denominator and add numerator. So 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. Isn't it? Yes. So in this way you have to write. Now we have to find out the LCM of 4 and 5 because denominators are not same. See here, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. The multiple of 4 is 2 multiplied by 2. And what about 5? 5 1s are 5. The multiples of 5 is only 5. So add all together. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. The LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So write here 20. Isn't it? So therefore, what are the numbers? See, 22 upon 4. Isn't it? So if we want in the place of denominator 20, what we have to do? 4 5s are 20. So same multiply here also. 25 5s are, see, do the rough work. 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11. So 110, isn't it? Now next is 16 upon 5. Now what? 5s are 20, 5 6s are 20. So again we need to multiply here also. So do the rough work. 16 6s are 6 6s are 36, carry 3, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So here what will come? 96. This is what? Just rough work. I'll rub. Now we got denominators are same. Now we can add 110 upon 20, 96 upon 20. Now add together. You have to do rough work, back side of the page or a rough page. Why I am doing here? Because you can see, it should be visible for you. 6 as it is, 1 plus 9 is 10, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. This is 206. Okay, I'll rub this again. Now we need to convert this number into mixed fractions, isn't it? Now what we have to do? Division. 206, 20. 21s are 20, 0, 0. Bring down 6. We cannot divide, so give the 0. Isn't it? So this is what? Quotient. This is what? Remainder. This is what? Denominator. So quotient, remainder divided by denominator. Quotient is what? 10. So write here 10. And the remainder is what? 6. Write in the place of numerator, and denominators 20 remain as it is. So what is the answer? Whole is what? 10. 6 upon 20. Clear? Is that clear, students? Yes, very good. Now we will start solving our exercise 1.11. Question is add. In that A, first one, 1 upon 3 comma 1 upon 6. Now see, in this case the denominators are different. So when the denominators are different, we need to find out the LCM first, isn't it? So first we will find out the LCM of 3. 3 ones are 3. Now 6. 2 threes are 6. 3 ones are 3. Isn't it? What are the multiples of 3? Is only 3. 6 multiples of 2 multiplied by 3. Now common is 3. So we will take only ones. 3 twos are 6. What is the LCM of 3 and 6? Is 6 only. Isn't it? Now the next step. 1 upon 3 is equals to what should come in the place of denominator, students? 6. So write here 1 upon 3 multiplied by 3 2s are 6. So here also 2, 1 2s are 2. The next 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6 multiplied by, here should come 6. So 6 ones are 6. Here also 1. 1 ones are 6. Okay. Now we got both the denominators are same. Now we can add together. 2 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6. 2 plus 1 upon 6, 2 plus 1 is 3 upon 6. Clear? Yes, these are the steps. In this way you have to solve. The next example I'll solve for you. Now I'll take 6th one for you. What is the 6th one? 5 upon 16 comma 3 upon 8. See, the denominators are different. For that, what we have to do? We need to find out the LCM of 16 and 8. Now see, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 1 and 2 1s are 2. The next is about 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. What are the multiples of 16? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, isn't it? And what about 8? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now common, write only ones. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and the remaining 2 write only ones. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. What is the LCM of 16 and 8? Is 16. Now once we got the LCM, so what are the steps? See, 5 upon 16 is equals to 5 multiplied by The denominator should come LCM, that is 16. So 16 ones are 16, here also 1, 5 ones are 5. Now 3 upon 8. 3 multiplied by 8 multiplied by. Now here what will come? What should come is 16. So what 8s are 16? 8 2s are 16. So here also 2. 3 2s are 6. So we got same denominators. Now 5 upon 16 plus 6 upon 16. The next step is the numerators we have to add together. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 upon 16. Now do the addition. 5 plus 6 is 11 upon 16. Clear? Yes? See, these are the steps. In this way you have to solve. Now 2 more examples I will solve for you, students. Now I will take 11th one. What is the 11th one? 1 upon 2 comma 1 upon 4 comma 1 upon 3. See, there are 3 fractions numbers. 3 fractions are different. So we need to find out LCM. So together I will find out, students, 2, 4 and 3. I will start with 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 will remain as it is. Now again with 2 only, 2 ones, 1 as it is, 2 ones are 2, 3 will remain as it is. Now I will go with 3, 1 will remain as it is, 3 ones are 3. So till 1 should come you have to do. Okay. So what are the multiples of 2, 4 and 3 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. This is combined LCM. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So what is the LCM? Is 12 of 2, 4 and 3. Now the next step. Now write 1 by 2. What should come in the place of denominator? LCM, that is 12. So write here 1 upon 2 multiplied by. Now 2 multiplied by what? That we get 12. 2 6s are 12. So write 6 in the place of numerator also. 1 6s are 6. Now next number 1 upon 4. What should come? In the place of denominator 12. So write here 1 upon 4 multiplied by 4 what's are 12? Yes, 4 3s are 12, isn't it? So write 3 here also. 1 3s are 3. Now next 1 upon 3. Here should come 12. Now 1 multiplied by 3 multiplied by. Now 3 what's are 12? Yes, 3 4s are 12. Here also 4, 1 4s are 4. Now see, we got the fractions 6 upon 12, 3 upon 12 and 4 upon 12. Now denominators are same, 12, 12, 12. Now we have converted into like fractions. Now we can add together 6 upon 12 plus 3 upon 12 plus 4 upon 12. Okay. So now add all numerators together. 6 plus 3 plus 4 upon 12. Denominator write once only. Now tell me addition. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 upon 12. Okay. This is just add. Okay. So no need to convert. We can write in this way only. These are 2-digit number. So we can convert also, isn't it? So how we can convert, student? Yes, we need to convert. How we can convert? See, 13 by 12. 12 ones are 12. The remaining is 1. So this is what? Quotient. This is remainder and this is denominator. So quotient, remainder divided by denominator. So what is quotient? 1. So here I will write the answer 1 and the remainder is 1 divided by denominator is 12. So this is the answer. Okay. So you write once again question at the bottom and is equals to write the answer. Now next example I will solve for you. Now 15th one I will solve. What is the 15th one? 5 upon 8, comma 3 upon 4, comma 1 upon 2. Now three fractions numbers are there, denominators are different, so we need to find out the LCM of three numbers. Together combine, I will find out the LCM. I'll start with 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Again I can go with 2 only. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 will remain as it is. Again I can go with 2 only. 2 1s are 2, 1 1 as it is. Okay, once we come to 1 we have to stop. Now what are the multiples of 8, 4 and 2 are 2 2 2. So write together 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now do the multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. What is the LCM? LCM is 8 of 8, 4 and 2. Isn't it? Now next step. Now first 5 upon 8 is equals to, what should come in the place of denominator? 8 only. So 8 1s are 8. Now 5, here also 1, so here also take 1, 5 1s are 5. Next number 3 upon 4. So 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by is equals to, denominator should come 4. Now 4 what's are 8? 4 2s are 8. In the place of denominator if you have taken 2, so we have to take in the place of numerator also 2 only. So 3 2s are 6. Now next number 1 upon 2. Now 2 what's are 8? 2 4s are 8. So 4 in the place of numerator also. 1 4s are 4. Now we got three numbers of the fractions, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 4 by 8. The denominators are same. We have converted into like fractions, so we can add together 5 upon 8 plus 6 upon 8 plus 4 upon 8. Now write together 5 plus 6 plus 4 upon common. Denominators remain same, 8 ones. Now do the addition. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 4, yes, 15. 15 upon 8, isn't it? Now we have to divide. See, I'll do here. Now 8, in 8 table 15 is there? No. Then what is less than that? 8 to the 16 we cannot take, so 8 1s are 8. What will remain? Count after 8 till 15 comes. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? 7 and 0. So this is what? Remainder. This is quotient. This is denominator. So quotient, remainder divided by denominator. What is quotient? 1. So write here 1. The remainder is 7, right in the place of numerator, and the denominator is 8. See, in this way you have to solve. Clear? Is that clear? Yes. Now we will start our B question. Now in B question, first one I will solve. What is the first question? 3, 1 by 4 and 2, 2 by 3. Now see students, they had given mixed fractions here. Okay. Now not to worry, just convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. How we convert? See, 3 1 by 4 is equals to whole number multiplied by denominator and add numerator. Directly you do a, don't waste time. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13 upon 4. This is 1, and the second one 2 2 upon 3 is 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 upon 3. Now we got two fractions improper, 13 upon 4, 8 upon 3. Now see, denominators are not same. Unlike fractions are there, we need to convert into like fractions. For that we have to find out LCM of both the numbers. Now 4 LCM, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 LCM, 3 1s are 3. The multiples of 4 is 2 multiplied by 2 and the multiples of 3 is only 3. So we need to multiply all the numbers, isn't it? So here I will do 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 is what? LCM. Now take the number 13 upon 4. 13 multiplied by 4 multiplied by is equals to denominator should come 12 because LCM is 12. What 4s are 12? 4 3s are 12. So 3 here also we have to do. Now tell me 13 3s are? Yes, 39. Correct. Now the next number 8 upon 3 is equals to, what should come in the place of denominator? 12. 3 what's are 12? 3 4s are 12. So here also take 4. 8 4s are 32. So write here 32. Now we got denominators are same. Now we can add easily. So take both the number 39 upon 12 plus 32 upon 12. Now add numerators. Remains denominator same. Now 9 plus 2 is 11, carry 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7 upon 12. Now we need to divide. I will do the rough work here of the division. Now see in 12 table 71 is there? No, 12 6 are 72 but we want less than that. So 12 5s are 60. Now 1 will remain as it is, 6 minus 1 is 1. So 11 will remain as it is because we cannot subtract 12 from 11. This is what? Quotient. This is what? Remainder. This is denominator. So how we write? Quotient, remainder upon denominator. So what is quotient? Is 5 and the remainder is 11 upon 12. This is the answer of fraction 3 1 by 4 comma 2 2 by 3. Clear? Is that clear? Yes. Now it's time to wind up our today's session. Yes, what is your today's home assignment, students? Exercise 1.11a question I have solved 5 examples for you. Remaining all practice today itself in your rub book. And B question we have started with first. Now try to solve the remaining examples and try to cross check your answers with the coming episode. Till that time, bye bye, take care and thank you.